Great, yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a power hour video because this little guy has been up basically all day other than an hour. So when he goes to bed tonight, we are getting so much done. So he'll be going to bed shortly. And then we're cleaning the kitchen and the bathroom. Today's video collaboration is with Alex from Big Love in Small Places. She is a fellow Canadian just like me, so I had to do a video with her. She has a lovely daughter who is a month older than Wyatt, a husband who plays football. She does cleaning videos, makeup tutorials, motivating videos, a lot of content just like mine. So go over and tell her I sent you. This is one of those days where I wanted to get the majority of this stuff done while Wyatt was napping. I'm gonna make this a power hour. I'm going to set an hour limit on my phone. I'm going to attack the kitchen, attack the bathroom. The good thing about it is Justin just did the tub yesterday, so I'm not even going to touch that. Okay, we set the timer. The timer is going. Let's go. Classic. Leaving the underwear on the floor. Okay, so we still have 18 minutes left. I haven't cleaned up Wyatt's play area yet, so I think I might do that now. Fifteen minutes left, guys. I think I'm gonna get some dinner going. So I ended up doing a leftover for dinner, so I literally just had to pour it into a pot. I still have 14 minutes left. I'm pretty impressed with myself. So I think for the rest of this hour, I'm gonna put my feet up. I really hope you liked it. I managed to get so much accomplished. My kitchen and bathroom look great, and it's probably better that it's at the end of the day because now I can wake up in the morning and everything's ready to go. So I have to go shovel now because we got about a foot of snow outside. It came out of nowhere. I wasn't expecting it, but I did get my winter tires on yesterday, so that's kind of a plus. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and if you like this video, let me know.